Party hard!
So I barely have the fucking energy to script. I'm definitely not about to do thorough research or anything for this. Don't expect much. See the disclaimer. I like this game quite a lot. And though it is probably not even in my top 5 Suda games, I get the sense that I like it more than most, so I decided to take the time and talk about it. My history with this? Having been a long-time fan of Suda as far back as I could get my hands on Killer 7 for the GameCube. Naturally, I picked it up day one, on midnight release actually, for my old fat-ass PS3 and had a good time with it. Even back in the day, remember this is from memory, this game was getting sexualization criticism. Though to me Juliet has always been a relatively believable personality, more than the obvious stereotypes would suggest. The chemistry between her and Nick is legitimately charming and believable.
I'm like the only girl with a decapitated head for a boyfriend.
I don't want to be a fashion accessory, Juliet. This is my life.
What's your favorite color, Nick?
Blue? No, green.
Awesome. I love learning about you.
I fucked up. It's yellow.
Not sure what the story is behind Dragame and Grasshopper, but a cursory glance over articles would suggest that Suda provided some level of oversight, if not at the very least, his blessing. Lucky. Frankly, the licensing is probably such a massive clusterfuck, I'm just glad I don't have to boot up the old space heater just to play this game. Quick summary of the pros and cons would be: pros. The zombies can be funny.
Let me fuck your father!
Rock and roll! Pussy power!
Hey, Dead Starsky and Hutch.
Nick and Juliet are cute.
Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday. Oh, I fucking love you. Oh. What the fuck?
I love you too, baby!
Oh, fuck!
Don't get mad! I didn't know what to do!
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax? A sensei? Like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick!
Well,
Wasegoi, watashi mo Nihiko o hanashimasu!
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
You're like a kitten that doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay.
That My Chemical Romance wannabe is destroying San Romero!
Oh, I love that song, Teenager. Have you...
That's not important now, Nick. We have to kill this guy. What do you think about this for a catchphrase? I'm going to kill
Shit.
you.
Look out!
What?
I think you can do better.
You seem like a fine person, but whatever dude Juliet ends up with is gonna be part of the family business. What are you gonna do? Throw magic stars at chupacabras with your tongue?
Maybe, Dad. Nick's tongue is very limber.
And how do you know that?
She doesn't. She doesn't know that at all, sir. She has no idea of my tongue is limber.
Combat can be good.
Fuck off! Get away!
Wow! Pop it! All right! Your goal.
Speed is for suckers.
Fantastic job, kid.
It's a party! Excellent! Your goal.
Well, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
Don't blame me, fire.
Get out of my way! Wow! Cool!
Cons. Game is short and easy on normal. Combat doesn't really have complete flow until after your virgin run when you have all the skills unlocked. Clearly arcade style. Score runs are the focus here, but the gimmick set pieces of each level take away from the core combat even on replay. Overall, it left me ready for more, but it could use a bloody palace mode.
There's a weight limit on this thing. Gotta make sure zombies don't slow it down.
If they do, I'll put them on my new disembowelment diet.
Okay.